Hello everyone, time for another quick unboxing and of another Synco product. This time I'm going to be looking at the Synco XPro series of wireless intercom headsets. I have been in the AV industry for 30 plus years, and headset systems are just standard if you're a camera operator or otherwise on set, so people can communicate if you're doing camera operator at a trade show or in a studio. So I've just been using them for years. Also, for the last 10 years, I've had my own wireless intercom system, which has been so-so. It was sort of a half budget measure that I bought, and it has gotten me through for the 10 years. But when Synco made contact, and just for full disclosure, Synco made contact a couple weeks ago and asked me to try out the XMax series, and I used them on a job, and I really liked having them. Really simple to set up. I'll be doing a full review later, and so I'm not going to dwell on it, but suffice to say, I was impressed enough with this that I went out and bought this. And they should be able to connect. That should be a great benefit of this series. But the main difference between the XMax and the XPro is that this is a double cup system, so you can isolate sound, and I didn't think I needed more of those, and so I also just got some ones that have a single ear. So let's take a look at this product. We have the Synco XPro two-piece system. Let's take a look. All right, opening it up, very much like the Synco XMax box, no bells and whistles per se. You have the owner's manual right here. So again, always advise these, especially if you're going to connect multiple systems, you'll need to know how to pair those. A sticker set. I think this is just if you want to mark your headset so you can tell which one is warranty card. Always want to have a good warranty. Simple foam padding, we'll get rid of that. And then we have two pouches here. And if it's like the other set, you will just find nothing in here except the headset itself. And again, as I mentioned, you can see that the XMax has a double ear cup, whereas the XPro has a single ear cup. And that way you can still hear the environment. The XMax is what you're going to want if you need to isolate sound. So I'd sort of give these to the camera operators that are up on stage or near speakers, and they just need to shut out the outside world. Whereas if I'm further back, further from the loud sounds, I would just wear this, and that way I can still interact with the client as well. And so there's in one pouch. And the pouches do feel nice. They are reusable. They're not meant for single-time use. They feel velvety and soft, which is pretty nice. And again, second headset, pretty basic. Not much to talk about in there. And then also in the box, you have the USB charger. So this is powered by USB. It comes with a USB cable. You'll have to provide your own power brick. There are two batteries and one charger. And what's nice about this charger is it will charge two batteries at once, not sequentially, both at the same time. And we have these ear cups, which I don't seem like there's an obvious way to use them. But I think, I don't know. Oh, hey, we're learning together, folks. You can twist these off, and so if you want something more lightweight, perhaps more comfortable, you can just put the simple foam cup on there. And so that is the unboxing of the XPro 2. And on that note, the XPro and the number just designates the number of items in the box. If you just get the XPro, it'll just be one headset. The XPro 2 is two headsets. The XPro 5 is 5 headsets. So the number does not designate a series or a generation. Anyway, so there you go. And stand by. Like I said, I have another big job coming up this week where we'll be using all 4 headsets, and I will do a review after that. So thank you for joining us.